Oh.
Hi! Welcome to MTV Vincent Fashion Show. And here are the contenders. The most Budanding lookalike. We've got Christopher.
Woohoo!
Salita ka naman.
Hindi nagsasalita ang butanding.
Christopher.
Hi, my name is Christopher.
Oh.
Ito yung pins niya. And booty shake. Booty shake. Yeah. There you go. Okay, the second. Palakpak naman ba? Second contender. Tapos ka na. Is Gaybert. Gaybert.
Beep, pa, pa, pa. Ah, Gaybert.
Gusto ko Gaybert.
Ayoko.
The third contender. Na baby butanding. Dulce. Dulce.
Alam mo yung door.
Fourth contender is Jerome Butander.
Number 4?
Jerome Butander.
Grabe.
Ab. Ab. Pinale.
The last, ano na ba yan?
Finally, our fifth contender,
Fredo.
Fredo Butanding. Majority. Si ano na, Fredo. Wait lang.
Ang dami. Yung baby, nasan?
Baby butanding. Sana yung mother butanding, wala.
Naliligo pa eh.
Naliligo.
Eh, Tina, ano ka?
Wala. Ako yung host. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Winner! And the winner goes to...
Maganda ba?
Si Mother. Hintayin na.